I'm Gita Lloyd, and I am a legacy tier artist for the state of California 2021. So welcome to my studio. You can take a nice look around. I have all kinds of stuff in here. Sculpture, paintings, so we'll give you some tours. Enjoy. I have a lot of landscapes, my science fiction book collection, all kinds of watercolors and drawings. I do a lot of sculpture. Here you'll see an exploration of different bird shapes. I have the subjects I love. This is my very first painting I made in 1966 from a Walter T. Foster book. A long time ago, I was 11 years old. So if you take a look at some of the strange sculptures I work on, different paintings, and actually one by my husband there too, who is actually a musician, but he paints very well. Here's a ton of animals I'm working on. You can get in there and take a good close look. How about coming over here? A lot of my stuff is subjective, but I'm wanting to know about the shapes and forms of things. This is just the kind of thing that, you know how we get excited about doing art. And that's what happens, of course. I'm never ending. I don't want to end. I have lots to do. Lots of paintings that have been on exhibit, but mostly I hide out now. I don't know where to put paintings. 5,000 Faces project. There's all kinds of art to do every day. I'm old enough now to finish my work. So if you want to take a look close, you can see some of the figures and statues and small paintings. I love doing miniatures and watercolor now. You know, our artist collections, we always have so many things. That was, well, lots of biography. I spent my life, I've done about 500,000 drawings, and I've gotten quite a few awards. That's Ray Bradbury, and I got a congressional award. And the paper, oh my gosh, there's just so much to look at, you guys. What a studio space. And what else can you see? And we had an open house in here, so it was something, I tell you. Anyhow, I'm going to oh my goodness, what am I going to do? These are all my favorites. So I'm going to get ready to go, but here's my space. And this is my setup. Bye, guys. More later. More later.